AI Intelligent User Testing and Feedback, a key tool for optimizing UX design. In the process of UX design, user testing and feedback are crucial stages. The application of AI Intelligent User Testing and Feedback technology provides designers with a smarter and more efficient way to collect and analyze user feedback data, applying it to optimize UX design. Here's an example demonstrating how AI Intelligent User Testing and Feedback can optimize UX design. Let's consider an e-commerce application that is designing a shopping cart interface, and the designers want to understand users' experience and feedback on the shopping cart interface. Traditionally, user feedback is collected through surveys, focus group discussions, or user observations, which may be limited by sample size and subjectivity. With AI Intelligent User Testing and Feedback technology, designers can leverage machine learning algorithms and natural language processing techniques to automatically analyze a large volume of user feedback data. For instance, designers can collect users' comments, ratings, and opinions on the shopping cart interface and then use AI tools to perform sentiment analysis, topic extraction, and keyword recognition on this data. AI Intelligent User Testing and Feedback technology can help designers quickly identify pain points, needs, and preferences of users. For example, by analyzing user feedback data, AI can discover that users generally find the checkout process on the shopping cart interface confusing or provide suggestions for improving the usability of a specific feature. Based on these analytical results, designers can make corresponding UX design optimizations. For instance, designers can simplify the checkout process on the shopping cart interface, provide clearer operation guidance, or add visual cues to a specific feature. Through AI Intelligent User Testing and Feedback, designers can gain a more comprehensive and objective understanding of user needs and feedback, enabling them to optimize UX design. This intelligent user testing and feedback process can enhance design accuracy and efficiency, reduce subjective bias, and help designers better meet user expectations. However, designers still need to apply their judgment and insights to review and interpret the analysis results generated by AI. AI Intelligent User Testing and Feedback are just part of a designer's toolkit, and their professional knowledge and experience remain indispensable. In conclusion, AI Intelligent User Testing and Feedback technology offer designers a smarter and more efficient way to collect and analyze user feedback data and apply it to optimize UX design. By analyzing a large volume of user feedback data, designers can gain a more comprehensive understanding of user needs and feedback, leading to design improvements and an enhanced user experience. However, designers must still apply their judgment and insights to review and interpret the analysis results generated by AI.